We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this large cat that is native to the Americas. How do you go about pronouncing its name? There's actually 2 or 3 different ways of saying it. For reference, this is a word of Spanish origin, while before Spanish it's even a word of Quechua origin. For reference, in Spanish this is said as Puma, Puma. However, in English, some dictionaries reference the British pronunciation as being Puma, Puma, while the American English pronunciation is closer to the Spanish one as Puma, Puma in American English and in Spanish, versus Puma in British English. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words and names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.